Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your Figma design. Now, once you're in here, you gotta navigate to the top left, click on this Figma icon, and it will have the drop down. Okay, just basically hover over plugins and just click on manage plugins. Now, in the search bar, you gotta find great front end. Okay. There you go. Again, great front end. Figma to code to be HTML, CSS. So just click on it and just click on run. Wait for it to load and a window will pop up shortly. There you go. Now, all you got to do, as you can see here, it says select one frame or text layer. And it works best for auto layout frames. Now, I'm going to go and select this frame or layout right here. And then after that, as you can see here, as fast as that, we have CSS, Tailwind CSS, and also HTML plus Tailwind. There you go. Now, if you want to copy it, just click on copy and paste it wherever you want. That is it. That's how simple it is to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.